Are you trapped in endless editing? After this video, you will escape the time trap with DaVinci Resolve speed shortcuts.
We'll start with the basics, because if you don't master these first, you'll keep getting stuck later. The first shortcut is play and pause with the spacebar. It's simple, but powerful. Now pair that with full screen using Control and F. Perfect for detail work. And here's a rule you should never break. Save your project with Control and S. Every few minutes. Made a mistake? Undo with Control and Z. Redo with Control, Shift, and Z. Need the same clip or transition multiple times? Copy with Control and C. And paste with Control and V. Now that the basics are clear, let's move to navigation. Jump straight to the beginning of your project with the Home key. Want to check your intro? One tap and you're at frame 0. And with the End key, you go straight to the very last frame. Need precision? Zoom in on the timeline with Control and the plus key. Want the bigger picture? Zoom out with Control and the minus key. And when you lose track, just press Shift and Z. Your entire timeline perfectly in view. Move frame by frame with the left and right arrow keys. Need to move faster? Hold Shift plus the arrow keys to jump ahead in bigger steps. Selecting clips? Use Control plus left or right arrow to select clips next to each other, or Control plus up or down arrow to grab clips on different tracks. And for playback, remember this trio: J, K, and L. J plays backward, K stops, L plays forward. Scrub through your project, find mistakes, and nail perfect timing. Next up, trimming and cutting. Want to split a clip in two? Control and B. Done. Need to trim the start? Control, Shift, and left bracket. Trim the end? Control, Shift, and right bracket. And here's where it gets important. If you press Delete, the clip is gone and everything after it moves up automatically. But if you press Backspace, the clip is removed and it leaves a blank space on the timeline. Two keys, two very different results.
Now with Control, Shift, dot, or comma, you can change the place of a clip in your timeline. Subscribe for more.